Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing Wolfpack Part 1. They're gonna meet, and maybe they're gonna start a pack. We don't know. Let's find out. Why is there a little pup here? Oh no, it must be lost. Oh my goodness. Can I help you? Where's your mother? Where's your father? My mom and dad died, and now they just left me here because I don't know where they are now. I better do something about it. Here, come with me. Can you walk yet? No, my mom and dad didn't teach me. You don't need to be taught, little kid. We live in the wild. Now come on, let's go. You're acting like you're an inside dog. I am, but I don't know adults would come out here, so are humans, so I'm just alone now. Little pup, stay here. I can find stuff for you. Okay, I'll just lay here. And make sure nobody finds you, okay? I'm gonna hide you. Stay there. Oh. I smell fresh waters ahead. I better climb. Hey, that's my water. Stay away. You really want to fight with me? If you just let me share this water with you, I won't do it. I won't fight with you if you just let me share. If you want to fight, we can. I was just trying to get a fresh drink of water, and you came and pushed me. Guess we're gonna have to find a different place. Intruder. There's an intruder here. No, kid, I'm right here. I'm not an intruder. What do you mean? What is that? I won't fall down anymore. I won't. Well, guess what? Nobody wants to get along, do they? I wish some of you would get along. I hear get along. Well, I can fix that. I will fix that in my own Marty way. I'm going now. I will fix the friendship. We're not friends, dude. We're not friends. Well, I will fix whatever's the problem. Nothing's the problem. Dude, I think I see something. Diddlun, 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 diddlun. My legs got chopped up. Dude, this is a bad case. I will fix the friendship here. You really think so? Nobody mess with a little stub that can do amazing tricks to big people. Is that an elephant? Dun, 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 dun. Elephant. I got the elephant! I got the elephant! Fine, I'm not good at doing elephants. I swear. I can do the elephant. Elephant. I love to eat elephant. Elephant to the rescue. Kill it with this bow, but it's too big. It's giant. How did we all of a sudden meet? Kid! Kid, where are you? Here you are. Kid, we had to get you safe drinking. I'm gonna die. No, you're not. Not if I give you drinking water. Here, drink that. I know you will be good. I'll just lay here. Tell me if somebody comes. Okay. Delicious. Dun, 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 dun. This is a video where these two dogs, Wild Dog and Home Dog, face that pack. They decided to be their own pack when he was gone. Dun, 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 dun. I will be the leader. Okay. I will be the healer. And we can be fighters? Yeah, I guess. Yay, I get to be a fighter. I can't wait. All right. Shadow, please go attack them. Yes, ma'am. Dun, 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 dun. That is what he sees. I'm ready. He sprang into action. I think I'm thirsty. This is so fresh. I think I'm just gonna take a bath here. How did he get distracted by water? Do you get distracted by water? No, but I am pretty thirsty. You can get a drink first, but don't get distracted by water. Yes. Done, done, done. Done, 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 done. I got it. Done, 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 done. What was that? Ah! Done, done. Oh, I forgot. Done, done, done. Ah! Done, 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 done. and they're a pack of their own. Dun, 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 dun. I better go beat them up. Why did they team up? I need to team up with you guys. Please, please, please. Please. I never heard that such a thing. That wild dogs want to be a pack with us. We have toughest to least. And the least is just healer. Well, I can be a fighter. You lost 2 legs there, dude. I know. Kid! Haha. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Phew. Please, I really need watchers for my kid. We got this, right, Pack? We do. We got this. Yes, we do. I get it. Yes, we got this. Come on, let's go. Leader can be watcher because leaders basically just tell what to do. Yeah, that's basically all they do, and they call meetings. So come on, let's go. What is that? A lizard. It's scared away, but you can't get distracted by that. It's just a cute little lizard. What's wrong with that? Lizards, no. Nothing will distract you. Okay. Yeah. I'm pretty strong, right? I didn't even know you were coming. Yeah, that's what I could be. But you can't put an elephant down. Why are we disliking the elephant? I'm not disliking the elephant. He dislikes us. Now, if I could get him out of there. Come on, elephant. Why? We need you. You need to be part of our pack. We need tough elephants like you. But I'm just a baby elephant. What does that do? Baby elephants we still need. I'm just a baby. You already said that. Now please, we're teaming up with a wolf. Basically a wolf. Why are we teaming up with a wolf? Because we need to. I'm going to scratch him. Ow, that really hurt. So, if you would excuse me. Come on, let's go. Sorry, I didn't mean excuse me, but I meant let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Fine, I'll team up. Dun, dun, dun. We're teaming up. I'm going to keep a lookout. So is the elephant. Wait, you teamed up with an elephant? I didn't see an elephant. Oh. You don't get it. But yes, we teamed up with an elephant. Whoa, elephant. You can be a fighter even though you lost 2 legs, dude. But is it okay if I'm still the leader of the pack? Yeah, that's okay because I really only have 2 legs. So this is our whole pack. We have 2 little children and 1 child is the nurse. But we got this. This is pack 1. Golden Reef. Goldie. Papa. If you're gonna take so long to say your name, let me go. Fine, fine. I won't take so long to say my name. So, my name is Seymour. Fine. I will say my name. My name is the Big. Your name is not Big. Now say your real name already. My name is... Why did you say that? Because my name is Reek. Reek? Okay! We got to get started already! Dude, that can't destroy me. Fine. But it's fun. Leaders don't do that to a pack. Let's check out the other pack. I am Sierra. I'm Gold. I am Shadow. And I am Fang. Fang. Fang! I'm Fang! I am Fang. You are Fang! We're trying again. I'm gonna go this time. Are you serious? Are you serious? We'll get them next time. To be continued.